RapidPipeline makes it easy to simplify complex woven structures, like this wicker sofa, using one of our actions called remeshing. This particular model contains over 1 million triangles, and about 80% of that comes from the detailed wicker mesh alone. The geometry is far too complex for traditional decimation. But that's why we use RapidPipeline. The plugin in Maya comes with various actions for common optimization tasks. In this case, we'll use remesh and bake holes. And review the settings, and then hit run. RapidPipeline works on the selected meshes, creating a new shrink-wrapped surface. And then it uses alpha masking to retain the whole patterns in a texture map. Despite reducing the geometry significantly, the remesher captures the original details beautifully and produces nice PBR textures. The target, which also acts as an upper limit, was set to 50,000 triangles. But RapidPipeline optimized well below that. With RapidPipeline, optimizing complex 3D assets is fast, effective, and easy. Try it for free today or chat with our team on our website.